Eh?
Somebody said maybe it's icy.
Maybe I email, but it no matter who. Me not answer nobody call. Yeah, them fridge empty for shoes, Shan. Them hungry.
Shan, my name don't know over here.
So she not done them back?
Because they might come here too when I laugh. But I mean, when I come back from life, I'm afraid we can't have the problem.
Marsha, you can't come on live. All you do, certain page, if you don't understand. But Marsha, me, if you fuck up on my life, nobody can stop me because I 1 year them the block me for. Because what me used to do, when the people in trouble, me used to cuss them and say the things them and the people them report me. All when me right, me wrong. Me, nowadays, me not argue with nobody. As soon as they piss me off, me just cuss a boom, block.
Lady Hilary, me call you. Oh.
I'm not curious like that. That's why I stick to one man. Me no joking, man, make a rider. Yeah, man. Marsha, we never sign up for this, but this come with it. Block. The new talk. Anybody piss you off, block them. Anybody say nothing that you don't like, block. Block.
Me can't only imagine.
Go up and rush and read. Marsha, I could go up and rush and redeem. Block.
Anybody piss you off, block.
Yep, I just block them. I don't care. I don't argue with nobody anymore. I don't care. You understand? Just block them. Don't argue with them because at the end of the day, somebody take off them can't take it off. Me, I just block them. I don't argue with them. Just block them. Because at the end of the day, it's a fake page. So why you gonna argue with them?
Them are gonna make a next one in you.
Then at that, get them work for do. Get them something for do. February the 10th, Lovers Rock. Them all right here. Marsha, you come to a restaurant, your belly full?
Yeah, my belly full. Me just feel bored and I never cook and I say me go eat. And I say me go live. Because me secure for live. Me a big up care for your birthday, Shan Company live. And me just see your son come on. And then that's how they say kick off.
I just said start. Yeah, man, me not add him. The energy when him come with me can't add him. Flourish, April 27, DJ Beefy birthday celebration. No, I'm not insecure of the fake page. Fake page just don't come with nothing positive.
And then fake page tell a lot of lie. Then come on and type shit. So.
Popping. Me not insecure. I'm not think insecure is the right word you should use.
Listen, it's not about insecure, but you on your life and somebody just come and type and a cuss you. And them never say none way true. You not go and block them? Because when they take page, them going to say the most.
Okay, Marsha, block that person here for me. Legend 90951. Oh, you still promote party with all the nastiness I go on. Oh, you still lick out the body and I suck the cocky with all the nastiness where I go on.
Well, then the legend.
Legend 90951.
Ask a question. So they want it to stop. If they want dance all that until this pass, I don't understand this.
When COVID and the old city lockdown, we still did go out. So I don't know if this I go stop we.
I ask a question. Black people 9-day talk dance off lockdown in the South. Black people 9-day talk dance off lockdown. I don't understand it.
We are block them, BLOCK. One or two outer order.
I understand this. Exactly. Dancehall can't start no matter what go on in it. No matter what go on. People now will stop keeping party. So all the party them will line up for February and January. The end of January to February supposed to just lock down because this bus out now. No favor dark shit. No favor dark shit. That's right. They want that. So all the promoter them were there, the innocent promoter to feel it because of the looking for career going now.
Successful lifestyle in a May. Lovers Rock
this Friday,
February 10th. This Friday Essence that we are talking about. And this Saturday Planet Poison party.
Exactly.
People not come out. I'll be hosting both events. So if you don't want to hear the business, this Friday night come out because I'm going to talk the real business. And this Saturday night, I'm going to talk the rest side. So now if I come out the 2 nights for hear what is premiering.
What if I think
Fire Ants not come back yet? Fire Ants come back? Hey, Marsha, you know Fire Ants come back to Canada?
Oh, they gone?
I'm not saying gone on vacation. Yeah, Dovey Magnum, what date? The 16th of February. Isaac's birthday.
April 27.
DJ Fire and Sam Brock now. Him say, I could do a GoFundMe for you on behalf of Dancehall. Planet Poison, we say long time. January 27th, we say enough time. We tell the people them say we are go over Planet Poison and we are go over Essence go talk the business. So if them want to, them have to buy a ticket and come.
February 18, family over everything.
Yeah, the Hilary is a body. Me? And then some do?
Hilary read good before you tell me for black.
No, they never say nothing bad about me. No, man.
I don't think that they say are bad.
Okay. When the person say is black still a nitro, me black all on you know. But just a type in the name when me done and black the whole out no.
What is that?
If black still upon nitro. Who have eyes will see. Come to nitro and you will see. Come to the parties and you will see.
Come to the parties.
And if you've been jail, where say me sharp? Me not play with them. Me not play no double double with them. Cause me and them never cross school for go me and them never cross road for go school. Yeah, them for go ask Box if him still upon nitro.
We're not gonna message blacks to Instagram.
No, me not run for black them, man. Me just black them. Me just black them, Marsha. Me not play with them. And certain page, if me don't know what, April 20th. And April 20th is also Weed Seed Party. Yeah.
Party
Cut and clear, right there, so. Sexy Becky, right there, so. Cut and clear. Listen, me see one man a while ago, me I post it when me done. The man going at the river and him have a bag with blue and lime. And him wash from him. Me go post it when me done. I said cut and clear all of una crosses over here.
I'll go look for it on TikTok. I funny as fuck. A man bust out the bag and make a dive down in our water.
Hold on. 416 ENT, where you say he has HIV and hepatitis, or I'm following proper disinfection protocol for public health. Who this? You're lucky. Disinfect your hood.
What can I do the protocol if you follow? Black.
Okay. What a person name? Yolana. All these behavior from Illy and Icy is actually fucking pathetic. Like a big pussy mama. We spit you out her hole and shit pan you.
Oh, Jesus. Illy answer everybody.
Them two other man. What is pathetic about what me say more than me say no loud man?
Come to Illy because Illy don't have no filter. Okay? Leave her alone.
Remember that she never shit up on me.
Was asking because I heard you left. God.
Illy, if me did know I saw you nice up live. Me not life, me just tell the truth. Yeah, no weapon formed against us shall prosper. Fire Ants Church next week Sunday. But them business,
you know the funniest thing, you don't go. Tell me no, can't the phone with the live at chat shit, you still come and dance.
Them not go block me, Bala, because me not threaten nobody. Me used to tell them some things. What you mean? Hey, me listen to Marsha.
Some of the people that we are talking dancer, them actually sit down
dirty, but me have a mouth for me, and that's why me try to say God a God, and me try to be a good human being because my mouth have no filter. I will say things to you that you will want to kill me and end my life. So that's why I'm trying to be a good person. But these people, some of them, you need to tell them about themselves. Because them a talk and right now them have wake up, I'm going to try to get cancer. Today I wake up, I'm going to try to get diabetes. Nobody not do that. Shit happen in life. Really can wanna talk about the way the party end last night. Party just done sudden so. No. That banquet all bala, they finished at 4 o'clock on the dot. So what we need to do, Marsha, as host.
Them coulda win him there give could more time though. Them too fuck up.
Marsha, once you rent Eve event space, the party done 4 o'clock on the dot. Unless you ask them for a little extra time, in which I told them then to ask them for a little extra time. And I don't know if then do it, but I know San come back to me and say no. No, as in then probably never ask them, or then they never want the party to go no longer, or the people them say no to her. Whatever they know is me never question it.
Yeah.
But may I say, Marsha, we need to start come out early.
We come out early last time, never come out. But even when they come out early, sometimes a party they must start late too. So
Let me know when to get the teeth for the cinnamon girl. She need the teeth right now. She too enough and plenty too. But she gonna. Now Alisa Cinnamon go over there and talk about fire blocks. And as she have fire blocks, me let's say PP clock how much time, up and down and round and round. And when she did that talk about, oh, then say them say no. And when she did round and round with fire and I talk about fire blocks last night, here's somebody. So if you weren't with him, why were you arguing with his wife? Why you had a problem with his wife? I know she can't answer.
Oh, she did it on the live?
Yeah, she did on Icy Live attack it.
Last night?
Yes.
Oh, so them
special artist.
Nobody not there with fire blocks now. Everybody got denied.
So somebody said her and fire blocks did they. Shannon did the PP clock. I walk up and down half a sun shot about, oh, I never slept with him and I never this and I never that.
She probably give it to him.
There's no venue that go 5 to 6. You have to go find after hours. Right? She's too bright. Because just the fact that she and fire blocks are their friend. I don't know if he slept with her, but it's impossible because Fire Black sharp like a razor. But the fact that she and Fire Black's a friend, she shouldn't go on Icy Live.
She shouldn't go on it non talk. Keep your mouth shut.
You understand? And I put on Fire Blacks. Yeah, she need to get tested too. Money kid.
I think nobody should have go over there go put him down though. Nobody at all. Even if they're not sleep with him or not, nobody should go over there go put him.
I saw them not for plenty. We're not tag her for. KK, all nastiness, we are tag her for. Me come here, make her empty her like water bottle and get one extra tooth and put between her gap.
I don't even know how that talk still, to be honest. I don't know how, you know.
Yeah, she was over there chatting, but I'm saying that that goes to show you how young a person can be so cool. And it takes nothing for them to turn against you. She and Fire Blocks go up, then go down. She and Fire Blocks are the friend. And she come over here done Fire Blocks. That's not nice. He was your friend, girl. You had him drink out a same bottle and same cup. Don't leave me alone, yeah? Yeah. She over there done the man for no reason. And I didn't friend. Oh, I didn't sleep with him. Nobody don't know Fire Black sharp like a razor.
Admin.
Me not lie. I know the girl in a real life, but me hear she have something, and that's long before this coke around. You the people must say? This Friday, nobody not adding you. Nobody ain't adding you. You go on your platform and done everybody over here. We're not adding you. All the man try to grab her pum pum in order to let her perform clown girl. Nobody not grab her pum pum because she and him there. She and him was together by themselves a lot of times. Them too wicked and bad.
Me not add no icy people over here.
Super cool to Alicia Cinnamon have herpes.
No
When I
problem.
add him.
No problem, cause just not be is people them come over here come type be a shit over here, you know. Sorry.
Let's be adults and keep it classy. You don't know if you do that. You don't know if you adult and keep classy. You know if you tear down people. Because all the mama we give birth to you go through pain. When you turn purple in hospital and you can't breathe. See me, you lay down on the bed and mama there on my right hand side. And I rub me. And when them say, baby, you not go make it. Mama start ball, me start ball because I'm a first baby. Yo!
I don't want a problem on in life.
We're not afraid of that truth. We're afraid that you mix up. Come and understand, oh, you're man, and you have body, and you have body. And you over here in a mixed up like girl.
Black sleep with Toby, black stuff sleep with. No, I want to call up people name over here, man.
Essence, this Friday night. Planet Poison this Saturday. Super cool, stop it. Black sleep with the world. I come like on the one label, everybody say, them sleep with blacks. Education is key, Illy. If he's taking his meds, that would make him undetectable, which means he didn't pass nothing. Thank you. Thank you. Somebody will have sensate.
Yeah, if you take your medication, him can't get it. Nobody now get it.
Hey, here's somebody, somebody I tell super cool say, Toby is still a self-proclaimed virgin. You fucking lie.
And that me I said Virgin Toby. Right, stop calling Toby name, yeah.
Stop calling Toby name.
Toby's a big virgin.
Look what black people have to come into Toronto. Sad. Too much negativity. Like we're there Canada a long time. We're Canadian kids. So we are Canadian citizens.
Oh, your son, how old is
Not add nobody.
No, I'm not.
He have many page. You all, is him right? Is him right? You all going to L for your freak off dancehall party. Yeah, you are going L too. We'll meet you down there. You icy.
Nobody not defend nobody.
You're tired, I know. I can't go talk, man. You can't talk, you know. You have nothing about you.
Ooh.
You have nothing about you.
No.
Nothing you do surprise. You cannot be tame. Talk about me, talk about Jeff. It doesn't matter. You can't intimidate me. Like, you can't make me not be the person that I am. I don't care. That's why people are going to start to walk and sue, you know, and some of them have no money. When they don't have any money, so people can have a sue, you know, because they can barely pay no rent. Max Bizzle, let me tell you something, you see? Because I'm going to block you too. I don't know who is Max Bizzle, but I'm going to block you too. I'm going to block you too.
Listen, I'm not
gonna get an eye out of people bringing down people. Patricia, I'm gonna block you too.
Good dinner was good, Vala.
Yep. Man, me block all of you. I will if I block me, I have to block.
Me not add icy to the line because I had him just on all these people come over here and talk a lot of negative shit.
What them say? The changing.
I don't have nothing against him, but I don't want no problem and no drama. And he already depended live already.
Yeah, we know say HIV not treated, it can turn to AIDS. Marsha, right ask which part to go for dinner.
Downtown, New York, just out Chinese.
We're here to see you petty for black. What?
Okay, 9 o'clock tonight, I am.
I don't care. Do what you want to do. You should go now. Go now. We need you now. I'm dissecting everything, the truth. 9 p.m. Yeah, all right, man.
We need you now. What the fuck?
Yeah, me a block no for uno. Uno not for worry about it. When you no cancel my page, you know what time it is. Me not have no time for negative energy. See that, Marsha? Marsha, you a puppet.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Just go finish everybody. But talk about yourself first. Talk about yourself first. Because there's so much things you need to worry about.
Well, I see me just no, I don't want no problem. I'm not gonna add it to the live because I don't want no
You not have
problem.
to explain it to him, Marsha. You not with no obligation. Him don't like we. Him don't like the mother. Him don't like him mother will give birth to him. Yeah, dancehall is everything. Him don't like the mother will give birth to him when him almost dead, almost kill me. And the only pitney almost kill me. And if him deal with me, some I know how uno think uno special. Him alright.
That's all
Me,
I like. Yeah, them I see always come with the tea. You don't love the tea, you don't stop love drama. Love too much damn drama.
as a baby, I was purple when you're the purple for true. I'm a thief your credit card. No, I'm never thief your credit card. I use a credit card and put $300 on it and I give back the money. And Jeff pay back a treat. I get that $300. So continue to talk about it. You're a little bitch. He's a little bitch. Yeah. I see, weren't you outside beating woman? Yeah, all right, yeah. You have your story for tell. Mm-hmm. See, your cousin I defend you there. Don't call my cousin puppet.
No, pay no mind.
Am I all right? Anyways, Marsha, enough for him. Who wants to
I come
tune in? He'll be
after.
going live 9 o'clock. And anything him say, I saw it go. Anything him say about me, in the writer saw, aka Cheryl, yeah, you, I saw it go. Wouldn't no question nothing. Anything him say, I saw it go. True or light, saw it go. That's me there. Right, true. Cause no boy, when me give birth to can't break me. No pitney. When me give birth to can't break me. Cause remember, I make it life to you. So guess what? Do what you want to do. I care zero. Right there, so. You figure you just big mad. You never had 500 people on your live. And you want 500 people on your live now. So you want to come on. You nah get no views. Him can't yellow tape me, green tape me, blue tape me, orange tape me. Him know where to find me. So any tape him want tape, him make him do it. I don't business with him. He has no filter. He needs to learn how to respect people because it will reach a point in his life where I'm going to need somebody. And with his behavior, nobody wants to be around him. So anything him want to do, him do it. Who cares? And all I uno love mix up and go wash out on a stinking body wall too.
Them need
It's
to
not
stop the truth.
no family feud. Family feud under you? What family feud? Like uno na a family feud. I know for uno cuss no mama. I know for uno no mama afraid. Uno mama feel lock up in a house. No boy can make me lock up in my house and hide and afraid of nobody. Me a Ilya, I'm out and good. I want to no. Mash me come for your life, yeah.
About it, you come after me. Now the time is tired, so me done.
Yeah, me go get something to eat. Me go something
One
go
of
get
our
something
IC
to eat.
page over there, the thing I go on.
Yeah,
Nobody
him can't do me like that. Him not have nothing about him, but that one for go over there and tell him say, you for obey your parents. And that one for go over and go tell him. Yeah. And that one for go over there go tell him and enable him. I make him feel so where I do is right. Ilya just say the youth not have no manners and listen to you.
But oh,
Me that
shut up.
speak my truth. What me for do? Bala what me for do? Curl up because him say him a go out me over him page. Me for just curl up. Anything him want do him do and who want believe. Everybody will know ill for themselves, know say me a good somebody. And they say that to them if I come out of my house for go buy the shoes for me for my refugee and the jacket, I me just feel lazy, I'm in. Tomorrow I'm out, I'm gonna go buy the winter boots for my refugee and the jacket think I'm said very cold, mom. I'm gonna drop it off game. Everybody lucky.
But one thing you have to do still, I disrespect your mother, though, no matter what. That's one thing you have to do, disrespect your mother.
Netherland, you can go on with yourself too. You come on live to talk shit about him. What talk shit about him? What talk shit about him? The one on the two enough and plenty. I wash out on the bathtub. Marsha later, yeah. Me soon go on my live too. So me go up on live 9 o'clock with him, and we're gonna see who gonna have the most views. Let's do this. Let's do this, IC. Let's do this, IC. You being live at 9. I'm gonna make something and say Lady Hilary's going on live at 9. Let's do this. The door to open. And your mother and your father, that your days may be long on earth. And that if you do. You don't have nothing about you. Oh, my daughter said me can't go live at 9 because we have a date. Where we are going? We gonna eat? You book it? We didn't even decide the place. Okay. I can't even go live at 9, but I'm going. Icy versus Lady Hilary. Right there, so my question who got the most views.
Hilary, nobody the food.
I go for live. I go for dinner with Shay. I drop my mic. I go for dinner with Shay. Okay, guys. Later. Have a blessed one. Marsha, nobody save the live then. Delete it. Whatever the screen record and screen record. No. True. Okay, guys. Nice.
Them have to go get the screen record or do what they want. I'm not saving nothing to nobody.
Jealous of Icy, Netherlands. Me jealous of my pitney when me give birth to. Something wrong with on you. I'm going to block you too because you chat too much. Marsha later.
All right, bye-bye.